Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use voiceover in Capcut. So it's easy guys, you can just follow this tutorial. So here I have a video that I want to add a voiceover to it. So this is the preview before it has a voiceover. And to add a voiceover, it's easy. You just have to click on add audio here and then choose voiceover. And then you can record the voiceover by clicking this blue button here. You can just tap it like this, and then it will count down before you start, or you can press and hold the button to record it. So I'm going to try. Alright, and then we can preview the voiceover. Voiceover test. Okay, so in Capcut you can also make a voice effects from your voiceover. For example, just click on voice effects here.
Voiceover test.
Voiceover test.
Voiceover test.
And you can choose whether to use just original recorded voiceover, or you can add a little voice effect there. So that's how you add a voiceover to your Capcut. That's simple, right? So thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video. Bye!